Every great company, every world-changing innovation started with a single idea. An idea born in silence. An idea most people ignored. An idea that refused to die. This is the journey from idea to launch. Not overnight success. Not luck. But a step-by-step transformation. Step 1. The spark. Ideas don't appear randomly. They come from problems, frustrations, gaps in the market. The most powerful startups begin with one simple question. What problem am I obsessed with solving? At this stage, doubt creeps in. People will say it's already been done. They'll say you're too late. But innovation doesn't come from copying. It comes from clarity. Step 2. Validation. An idea without validation is just imagination. This is where most dreams fail. Talk to real people. Ask uncomfortable questions. Listen more than you speak. Does the problem hurt enough for people to pay for a solution? If the answer is no, pivot. If the answer is yes, move forward. This step saves you years of failure. Step 3. The blueprint. Now it's time to build the foundation. Define your value proposition. Who is your customer? Why should they choose you over everyone else? This is not about perfection. It's about direction. Your business model doesn't need to be complex. It needs to be clear. Step 4. The minimum viable product. Forget perfection. Perfection kills momentum. Build the smallest version of your product that delivers value. A prototype. A landing page. A demo. Something real. The market doesn't reward ideas. It rewards execution. Step 5. Fear meets action. This is where fear screams the loudest. Launching means exposure, judgment, failure. But waiting for confidence is a trap. Confidence comes after action, not before. You launch anyway. Step 6. Feedback and adaptation. Your first launch won't be perfect. It's not supposed to be. Data becomes your mentor. Feedback becomes your weapon. Mistakes become your teachers. You refine. You improve. You grow. Step 7. Scaling the vision. Now momentum begins. Marketing replaces hope. Systems replace chaos. Strategy replaces guesswork. You stop thinking like a creator and start thinking like a founder. This is where startups are born. Final message. Most people die with ideas still inside them. But not you. Because ideas are cheap, execution is rare. And today, you chose to build. From idea to launch. This is just the beginning.